Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, please introduce myself. My name is Gabriel Evan Jason Purwanto from EFC class A15 9406. Today I want to tell you my opinion about the mother of nature picture. In my opinion, the picture describes a woman who is likened to nature, who is still awake. Then there is also a picture of a person brandishing a gun, who is likened to a city that has been so damaged by pollution. This is caused by humans who don't care about the environment. They don't have a sense of empathy for nature. This happens in our earth where we live because of increased advanced time such as technology that has developed and is increased sophisticated so that it continues to build living land for the construction of factories, places, churches, and animals. So that makes our earth tired and have globalizations. For me, this is a big problem for this earth. The solutions to overcome this problem for me is starting from self-awareness. Yes, I think it was up to us to such a simple as like throw a trash into its place, don't use plastic too much, shower a plants, take care of plants, don't get used to cut down the trees and anymore. Then we can profit education about maintaining the environment. I think it's so important. Then we can invite people who do reforestation. Next, we can to tighten the government regulations to preserve and protect the environment. For example, we can reinforcing the rules of fines to people who like to litter. We can also invite nature lovers to take part in nature, and we can form a wider community of nature lovers such as Mapala and Wanari communities. Because if not from us, who will start? So that's all my opinion about the matter of nature picture. Wali Taufik wali hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.